Hello all, myself Professor A.J. More, Assistant Professor from Department of Engineering Sciences, AISMS, Institute of Information Technology. My today's topic is Basics of Engineering Drawing. This is part 2. In the previous lectures, we have learned the need of engineering drawing, what is the meaning of engineering drawing, and the types of the lines with the application. Now, in this session, we are going to start with the sheet layout, different types of drawing instruments, lettering, dimension, and the types of lines. In this, we have you can see the first content is the layout of drawing sheet. So you can see the landscape drawing sheet in which we are going to draw the drawing. So in this, you can see this portion is particularly used for the drawing, and this part is for that is a title block, which is 150 by 50 mm. So which is going to use for the your title, that is the details of the drawing, naming and all. So in the next slide, you can see the what exactly the title box will indicate. The title block will be the details of the owner of the drawing. So like if there is academic drawing, then in the academic drawing, name of the student, then roll number, semester, section, the date of submission, the grade obtained, the sheet name, the method of projection. This symbol is indicate. In this case, we can see. Uh, this particular symbol is the first angle method of projection symbol, the sheet number, and the stop sign and all. So which is divided into the 150 mm in the length, and the width is of 50 mm. So this is available in some of the cases already printed, and sometimes you need to draw. So in the right bottom block on the sheet, so we need to draw the title block. So every time we are going to record the dimensions in the mm. So all the measured value in the mm. So the sheet layout, you can say it simply the drawing space already we mentioned, the edges, that is the title block, and the different types of the sheets are available. So in this case, I can say the ISO 1216 we are going to follow, uh, and the A0 series to indicate the paper size of the sheet. So obviously for the academic purpose we are going to the A0 series, that is the A2 series, A2 sheet size we are going to use, and for the board size we are going to use the depends on the paper size and the drawing. So B series for the drawing board we are going to use. So this is the what you can see in the slide. This particular the picture shows how the sheet layout varies according to the dimension. The first for the maybe the different these sheets are used for the different purposes. Maybe for the map and all the construction details blueprint. A1 can be used the same purpose, and the industrial drawings A2 and A1, and particularly A1 drawings are used for the civil maps and the plants, etc. And A2 is for the machine drawings or for the academic purpose. A3 is, most of the times we are used is for the drawing of your painting notebook and all. And A4 most of the time the day-to-day life we are using, that is for the xerox paper, or you can say the photocopy paper or the stationery material. So these all are sizes which are shown in mm. So 841 into the 1189 mm to the to A4 size 210 into 297 mm. So you can refer later on these designations and the sizes of the sheets. But particularly you should know what kind of uses of these particular series of A, series of size, and which kind of quality, that is the ISO rating is used to 16. So different types of the drawing instruments are used to accurate drawing, accurate and precise drawing. So there are various types of instruments are used in the day-to-day life, so or in the drawing or in the technical drawing. So the engineering sets where the protractor, drawing instrument box, and drawing sheet, drawing pencil, and the clips of the pins are the most important part of the drawing instruments. You can see which the different drawing instruments already used, but we are uh, going to use in this type. So you can see the bigger inside the compass, which are accurate. You can draw actually the 1 or 2 mm size paper. The you can say uh, 1 or 2 mm size circle also by using such kind of compasses. So such type of compass you need to you then divide the lines or divide the circles, divide the semicircles and all. So you can either divide a ruler or the scales longer and so on smaller size 50 mm and 30 mm the size is used to purchase. Then set square to draw the different types of the angles. So one is 30, 30, 60, 30, 60, 90 degree set square, and one is the 45, 45, 90 degree set square you need to purchase. Then six squares to draw the parallel lines, to draw the perpendicular and parallel lines, and the protector to draw the different types of the angles. Already we have covered this. And then the basic things, as you can see, the start with the drawing board. So what is required in this case? This is a drawing board is required to prepare the good accurate drawing. Then after the drawing, you should have the drawing. After the drawing table, you should have the drawing board, which is of these two or these two sides. Then the table is also simple. Then we can have the C square, the protractor. You should have the uh, I can say the drafter to complete the drawing accurately and in time. So try to use the drafter. I will show at the time of demonstration what is the drafter and how to use. Then the pencils, different types of the pencils used. So depends on the hardness. You can go for the pencil that is the H pencil, 2H pencil. Purchase the 2H, H and the 4H pencil. And to attach the your paper with the drawing board, you need to have the adhesive tapes or the drafting tapes. The next, the sharpener and the good quality eraser is also required. Don't use purchase such kind of things, the which may dirt or which may make the your drawing sheet. So avoid that. You try to use good quality eraser. Then the circle template from the 1 mm to the maximum 30 size are available. Whatever available that you can purchase. Then the set square of bigger size. Then the divider and 30 different types of the protector and the set squares already mentioned. So try to purchase this kind of compass and dividers, which is the shown in the figure. Okay. So these are the scales also useful. Maybe the roller you can use so the smaller size, the 50 and 0 to 15 centimeter size and the 30 meter size, longer scale you can purchase. So already we have covered in the previous section what are the different types of the lines. Again we are going to revise here the continuous peak line, which is show the boundary of the any drawing, or the border or the you can say the outline of the object. The thin lines show the construction lines, dimension line, projection line, intersection lines, center lines. The continuous thin wavy lines you can show the picture. You can show the partial view of the any section of the to show the partial view of the object. That is also we have seen in the previous slide. Long break line to highlight the any longer or the bigger component by using continuous into the zigzag line we can use. So mostly we are going to use in the uh, general applications or in the drawing. So that is the A and B series. That is A1, A2, that is visible outline, visible edges, and the dimension line, projection line, leader line, hatching line, and all. So that is the continuous scheme and peak lines we are going to use generally in our practice. So also the hidden line also. We are going to use this. Thank you. So this is from my side in the uh, session 2. We have covered in this session. So different types of the lines, then content is also there, then the drawing instruments, then um, what kind of sheet sizes, and sheet layout, title block, and what kind of arrangement we can make in the drawing sheet. Thank you. The next time, let's discuss. We can start with the dimensioning, importance of dimensioning, and the dimensioning rules. Thank you.